Getting the right permits for large-scale commercial renovations can totally make or break your project, so you gotta know exactly what you need before you start. Okay, so first up, always check if you need a structural permit, because any changes to the building's framework require official approval, no cutting corners here. Next, fire safety permits are a must, especially when you're upgrading or adding stuff that affects fire alarms, sprinklers, or exits. Then there's the environmental impact permit. This one pops up if your renovation might affect local water, air quality, or protected land, so it's super important to stay legal and green. Don't forget zoning variances if your planned use doesn't match current zoning laws. This one can save you from major headaches later. Once your work is done, you'll need an occupancy permit to prove that the space is safe and ready for business. Always submit your applications early, since these permits take time to process, and any delays can slow down your whole schedule. Keep copies of all your permits on hand during the project, because inspectors will want to see them. And finally, talk with your contractor about these permits to make sure everyone is on the same page and nothing slips through the cracks. One of the biggest issues people hit with large-scale commercial renovations is skipping the structural permit and then facing fines or having to undo work. Always get this sorted up front. Another common problem is ignoring fire safety permits, which can lead to failed inspections and serious safety risks. The fix is simple. Get those permits and follow fire codes strictly. Lastly, zoning variance troubles happen when the project doesn't fit local rules, causing delays or forced changes. The best move is to check zoning rules early and apply for variances if needed. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and have good reviews. For contractors, it's a great place to get new projects and build a reliable client base without all the guessing games.